What is up, people? This is Makasora once again for another video, and for today we will be talking about this. Ayan. Ano yung difference ng hard drive and SSD? So maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung ano ba yung difference ng hard drive and SSD. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ano yung pros and cons, ano yung difference ng hard drive and an SSD, bakit natin siya kailangan with the specific option. So with my previous video, which is ito, ayan, so na-decide na ni client to have his laptop upgraded. So nag-request siya ng SSD upgrade para sa kanyang laptop, and dumating na nga yung order ko na yon, which is ito. So explain ko muna sa inyo to. Ito yung different types of storage na ginagamit para yun sa laptop and computers. So before that, i-intro muna natin, mabilis lang, intro, pasok.
Ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is a tag.
So now, pag-uusapan natin yung difference ng hard drive and SSD. Sa hard drive kasi guys, meron siyang component sa loob wherein doon siya nag-read and write. Meron siya tinatawag na platter. So in this hard drive, bubuksan ko siya, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang nasa loob ng hard drive. So basically guys, eto siya. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo, meron siyang platter. Ito yung tinatawag nila na platter. So napaka-sensitive nitong loob ng hard drive na to. So hindi ina-advise to open this hard drive to check and repair. So once na nasira ang hard drive mo, hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-repair. So this platter, ito yung umiikot to read and write. And this header, ayan, ito yung header na yan. So yung nag-read and write inwards and outwards dito sa platter na to. So ayun yung sinasabi ko na moving parts sa loob ng hard drive. Unlike with the SSD, yung SSD kasi gumagamit siya ng IC or integrated circuit. So ito yung itsura nun. Ayan. So mas mabilis ang pag-read and write ng data or ng computer mo sa SSD compared to this hard drive. Kasi ito, umiikot muna ng 7,200 RPM or revolution per minute yung platter na yon, and yung header is nag-read and write siya back and forth dito sa platter na to. So comparing naman to this one na sa integrated circuit lang siya nag-read and write ng data, so mas mabilis siya. Another difference ng hard drive and SSD is the durability. As we all know, itong hard drive nga na to is meron siyang moving parts sa loob, and once na nabagsak mo itong hard drive na to, goodbye files ka na, goodbye data ka na. Kasi once na naalog ito and na-disalign itong platter na to or itong header na to, wala na, hindi mo na siya magagamit. Unlike this one, they are made for durability. Kahit mabagsak mo man siya, meron siyang resistance to, hindi agad siya masisira kasi integrated circuits yung mga ginagamit nilang technology for this one para hindi siya ganun kadaling masira. So maisingit ko lang, pag itong hard drive na to is nasira, tulad nga na nasabi ko kanina, once itong hard drive na to is nasira, useless na siya. But dahil nga pinapagana natin yung creativity natin, pwede mo siyang gawin ganito. So share ko lang, ayan. So pwede siyang gawin ganito guys. Ayan. It's a hard drive clock na ginawa ko out of this sirang hard drive. So tutungo tayo dun sa read and write capability ng hard drive and SSD. For the typical hard drive, ang read and write capability niya is only about 150 Mbps. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Comparing dito sa SSD, na meron siyang reading capability of 550 Mbps and a writing capability of 520 Mbps average. So nakita niyo yung difference, almost 3 times, 4 times ng bilis ni hard drive and an SSD. Another factor to consider is the noise and heat. Ito kasing si hard drive, nag-i-emit siya ng noise and heat when reading and writing. tutungo naman tayo dun sa size and price comparison. So for the hard drive and the SSD, malaki yung difference niya guys. Gaano kalaki yung difference ng price and size ni SSD and ni hard drive? For the SSD, the typical SSD or the 2.5 SSD na 256 gig, which prices around 2,500, ang katapat niya dito sa hard drive is nasa 1 terabyte na of storage. So 1 terabyte of this, which is around 2,500, and a 256 gig of this SSD, napakalaki ng difference when it comes to size. Pero bakit ina-advise namin or ina-advise ko to have this SSD na 256 compared with this 1 terabyte hard drive? So yun nga, tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, the reading and writing capability, mas mabilis itong SSD compared dito sa hard drive. Yun yung isang factor na kino-consider namin or ina-explain namin sa customer or sa client bakit mas mabilis to have SSD compared sa hard disk drive. So, i-compare mo siya sa booting ng Windows 10 mo, mas mabilis itong hard drive or mas mabilis itong SSD kaysa kay hard drive. Kay hard drive, aabot ka ng 20 to 30 seconds or worse, aabot ka ng minutes just to boot up your Windows 10. Kay SSD, aabot ka lang ng average of 10 seconds nasa Windows ka na. So, ayan siya. So, for the hard drive types, so kanina, nasabi ko na nga, this one is an 3.5 hard drive, which is typically nakikita nyo sa mga computers na binibuild. And this one is a 2.5 hard drive na nakikita nyo typically naman sa laptop. So for the SSD, we have 4 types of SSD, which is the 2.5, ayan, the typical 2.5 na ka-size ng hard drive, the M2 SSD na ilalagay ko dun sa upgrade na nire-request ni client ko. We have the mSATA, which is this one, and the PCIe, which is this one. Ayan yung different types of SSD. So for the conclusion, ano nga ba yung maganda? SSD or HDD? So kung ako ang papipiliin or kung ako yung magsasuggest, which is yun naman ang ginagawa ko, I would suggest to use SSD compared to HDD. Storage-wise and speed-wise, kahit na mas mababa ang storage ni SSD compared dun sa typical na hard drive, mas gugustuhin ko pa rin na mag-SSD ako compared dito sa hard drive. So overall guys, I would suggest using an SSD compared to the typical hard drive when it comes to your computer and laptop. Bakit? Yun nga, na-explain ko nga kanina ano yung difference ng dalawang ito, and makikita mo talaga yung difference when it comes to speed and dun sa performance ng computer mo or ng laptop. So yun guys, sana nasagot ko yung katanungan nyo na which is better, is it hard drive or SSD ba? And dun sa mga client ko na nagtatanong kung ano yung difference ng dalawa. So ayun. And if you found this video interesting, please like, comment down below, and if you're new into this channel, please consider subscribing. And i-ring mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos na ilalabas ko. Hanggang sa muli, ito po si Mga Kasora na nagsasabing, kung kaya ng iba, edi pagawa mo sa kanila. Peace!